is already threaded, but I'm gonna thread it again for y'all. Okay, it's easy to thread the machine. All you have to do is this. Now you're gonna take this thread here, you're gonna put it like this, you're gonna go like this. You're going to make sure it goes underneath here. And then you're going to slide it here. And it's going to go underneath where it says 7. And you're going to hook it on the slide right here. And when you pull it, it's going to cut the thread. So I'm going to pull it. It's going to cut the thread. And then right here, you're going to press down so it could attach to the needle. So I'm going to press this button, and it's already in the needle position. I'm going to press my foot down because I want to get that thread. Okay? Now, you could use your embroidery UPS stick if you want to embroidery, or you could use some of the features it comes with in the machine. Okay, so I'm going to show